API application program interface. Please subscribe for my educational YouTube channel ATM Automatic Tailor Machine AMD American Micro Device ALGOL Algorithmic Language BBS Bulletin Board System BIOS Basic Input Output System Basic Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code CD Compact Disc CAD Computer Aided Design CAM Computer Aided Manufacturing CPU Central Processing Unit CVT Constant Voltage Transformer CDMA Code Division Multiple Access COBOL Common Business Oriented Language DOS Dice Operating System DPI dot per inch DTP Desktop Publishing DVD Digital Bar Satellite Disk DTD Document Type Definition EDP Electronic Data Processing. Please like and share. Thank you.